Now to Bangalore, where a statue of B.R. Ambedkar is costing the Namma Metro project nearly 100 crore rupees.
That's right, and now plans are on to make an alternative design for the metro project and to construct a wider pathway around the statue. Abir VP tells us why.
This statue of B.R. Ambedkar is costing the Namma Metro in Bangalore nearly 100 crore rupees. Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation, which is building an underground metro station opposite the state Vidhan Soudha, has been forced to stop work after Dalit organizations objected against the removal of the statue. When BMRCL began work, they got clearance to remove 3 statues of Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and B.R. Ambedkar. While the statues of Bose and Nehru have been moved, Ambedkar remains in the construction zone.
3 ministers, Yediyurappa, Sadananda Gowda and this chief minister are scared to take any action. It is not in the interest of the public, only in the interest of some very few, because not all the Dalits are against it.
Amid a slew of pleas at the Karnataka High Court, the government now says it will separate the statue from the pedestal and keep it suspended in an iron cage. But Dalit groups say they will take every option to ensure it isn't shifted.
Other religions, where they go to temple, where they go to masjid, where they go to church and other things, for Dalit community, the whole state, praise Baba Sahib Ambedkar as our God. We have a lot of sentiments. So on April 14th, you might have seen all over Karnataka people, more than lakh people, April 14th and December 6th, they come here, they pray here, we celebrate in such a way on April 14th. These kind of things should not happen.
BMRCL say work has already been delayed by 6 months. But with the state elections around the corner, the state government is expected not to take any decision in fear of a Dalit backlash. In Bangalore, Abir VP.